Hey, what is going on, everyone? Thanks for tuning in to another video. And today I wanted to show you this mini RAID enclosure. It's from a company called Archgon, and the great thing about this is that it is capable of taking 15mm hard drives. That's the biggest hard drives that they make for the 2.5-inch version. And I'm gonna unbox it, review it, and just show you that it does work on a 15mm hard drive. But it's a very tiny box, very good price. I believe I purchased it for about $50, and it's definitely capable of taking those 2 hard drives. And I'm going to make it in RAID 0, as you can see in the top right corner of that box, just to get the fastest speed. And if the hard drives are brand new, why not? Now, unless you're going to use it to archive, then I probably suggest you go with something else. But that's just my personal option on there, especially if you're writing a lot of stuff on an 8 terabytes. I just feel that 100 megabytes per second, what that hard drive is capable of, is a little too slow. But again, everybody has their own decisions. As you can see here, it comes with the cable, the USB 3.0 cable, and also it has the power adapter. Now, I wanted to show you on the power adapter here that the output is 5 volts at 2 amps. What that equals to is 10 watts of power to run this hard drive. Here's this hard drive. It has a nice aluminum finish to it, so you won't be able to see smudges, which is a plus for me. But it's very sleek, compact, and it looks very nice on your desk, very tiny. That's why I like these 2.5-inch enclosures, because it just looks so sleek. As you can see, there's quite a few screws in the back. There's 4 there that are the obvious ones. Those hold the fan. Now the ones on the corners, as you can see there, and you can see right here, this is what will be holding the hard drives. And I want to show you that the 15mm hard drives will hold. So okay, here's one of the hard drives, and I'll put it on the tightest one here, and as you can see, it barely fits. I mean, no no wiggle room basically. But let's see if it goes all the way in. Yes, it does. So yep, just need a little bit more, and then as you can see, they line up perfectly. Remember, there's a little bag of screws that come with it, so you'll just go ahead and tighten it up. You'll put the other one in there as well too. And then you will have you'll have a nice enclosure that's capable of RAID 0. At least that's what I'm looking forward to. But whatever anybody else is looking at it, if you just want to have 2 drives in one, or have one as a backup, definitely do what you want with it. So this definitely fits. Remember, there's 2 15mm hard drives, and yep. And again, with these hard drives, it has a nice little weight to it, so it's good, especially if you put it on your desk. You just leave it there. If it had solid state drives, a lot lighter. A little slight movement, and it can move this thing around. This has some good weight to it. It's going to feel pretty solid on there. Remember, these are more meant for just keeping it at one place. Of course, you can take it with you, but I mean, typically they're just meant to just be there. And what I'm gonna do is, I have laptops and I have a computer that has the USB Type A port, and also Type C as well too. So I do have the adapter for here At least that's for my laptop, and then for my computer can definitely take this. This will be on my computer mainly, as it's going to be holding all of my stuff. But there you have it. Say that this is an unboxing, and just to show you that a 15mm as well can fit in those slots. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them on the comments down below. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.